Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you have watched this channel, if you are an avid follower, then you will know that we love free software. We also like to create workflows that make our life easier. Today I'm going to show you how I use Perplexity Spaces to create a streamline for repetitive tasks. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm using Perplexity.ai, the free version. You get a couple credits per day of the pro version, but let me tell you something, the free version is amazing. So immediately on the left-hand side, once you've signed in, this is available to you as a free feature. You will see spaces. Now for me, I like to organize everything that I do in little boxes so that I know where to go, which box to look in when I work. And this really helps me create a great workflow. It helps me save tons of time because, first of all, I am not a prompt engineer. So when I craft a prompt, it takes me a really long time and I'd like to use it again without having to copy paste. So look at spaces here. Here you can see that I've got all of my spaces set up and you can have unlimited spaces. So I've got descriptions and titles that I optimize as well as some other website stuff. I've got vehicle maintenance. I've got a vehicle and I'd like to just, maintain my vehicle. And now the bot actually knows everything about my vehicle. I'm going to go in here and actually show you exactly what it looks like, but in a second. So you can see I've got quite a few, and if you want to create your own one, you can either create one just like this from nothing, or you can use one of their templates. Now, if you go into their templates, you can see that there are quite a few options. There's a trip planner, a website scanner. There's a ton. You can really go ahead and look through everything and see what's going to be best for you. So let's go, for example, the profile builder. Enter any person or company name to get a clear, comprehensive profile. Now you could click on it and basically this now, if you go into here, will become one of your template spaces. You can see that it is public, all right, so it's not private. But if you want it to be private, if you go in to the templates and you find one, you can literally click on the copy. So you'll use the template and not use the actual space itself. Okay. So once you go in there, you'll be able to see all the details. Now, let me show you what mine looks like. I'm going to go into vehicle maintenance, and here I've got information for a 1995 Hyundai Accent 1.5. Okay. And this is fully editable, but this is just a description. This is the title. And if you go to the top right hand side, you'll hit the three dots and go into settings. And here, basically what you do is you choose what this bot is actually supposed to do. So you tell the bot, you are an auto, mechanical, and electrical expert based in South Africa. You specialize in this particular car. Help me understand how the car works and how best to maintain it. Okay. And then you can include web results as a default, and I'll show you what it looks like. So if you say, I need to replace shocks, go ahead and hit enter. Now, what it'll do if you've got that web as your source, it'll actually show you where it's getting its information from. And this is very useful because now you can see that the information that it's relaying to you is actually accurate. It's coming from a particular source. So here you can see it's given me an answer, but that answer has been taken from these sources over here, and they're clickable. You can go in and check them out for yourself. I will also show you, I've got another space over here, which is a trading guide. And here you can see in my settings, I've got another whole description. And literally every time I come in here and I want to start a chat, it's going to just remember who it is and what it needs to do for me. You can actually also see that you've got all your threads over here. So all of your history per space is kept in one space. And for me, this is something that I use on a daily basis. Whatever I need to do, I compile it into individual spaces, and it increases my workflow and my productivity by 100.